How to fix slow internet issue on Windows 11. First, open Setting. Click on Windows Update. Click on Advanced option. Click on Delivery Optimization. Disable it. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. Right-click your network adapter and click on Properties. Open Advanced tab. Make sure it was disabled. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type View Network Connection. Right-click your network connection and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.